guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take you with me on a regular day in the life. It's Monday, it's bright and early, it's 6 a.m. I got up at 5 this morning. I've been really not great about sticking to my 5 a.m. morning routine, so I'm hoping to fix that this week. I got up at 5 this morning, got ready. I've already done some work on my computer. I don't have to wake the kids up for school until about 6:45, so I'm gonna make my coffee and I have about 45 minutes to clean a few things up in the kitchen and get some work done, and I'll just take you with me along on this day. I'm going to be packing the kids' lunches, getting them off to school. I have a 7.5-hour webinar that I have to attend today, so that should be exciting. After work, I have to cook dinner, take the kids to swim, all the other household chores, so come along with me and let's see what we can get done today. Okay, so here's what I packed for the kids' lunches. I have some bento boxes here. This is a Yum box and this is a Bent Go box. I can link these down below. I always get them on Amazon, but basically just protein and fruits and veggies today. So I washed up some blueberries this weekend, so I used those. This is Connor's. I also prepped some buffalo chicken yesterday. This is just chicken breast that I rubbed with like a buffalo spice seasoning and baked it in the oven. So he's got some chicken breast, and then he's got a little bit of ranch to dip it in, some tomatoes, some cucumbers. He really likes cucumbers and tomatoes dipped in ranch. And then I cut up a peach and some grapes. So that's what he's got. And then Kira's got a spinach wrap. I've been using these Olay Extreme Wellness spinach wraps. They're a lot better in nutrition than the Mission ones. They don't have any added sugar and they're pretty low carb. So I just wrapped that up with some chicken breast and not some chicken breast. I got breast on the brain. Me too. I just wrapped that up with some pepperoni and some turkey. And then I gave her a mandarin orange, some peaches, some grapes, some blueberries. I have these little picks. I think I got them at Dollar Tree. Sometimes I just stick them in the kids' lunches because they're fun to eat with. And then some carrots and some bell pepper and some cut up just sharp cheddar cheese. All right, so I got the kids off to school. I did not update my calendar yet this month. Let's see, it's Monday the 25th. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'm gonna go get to work. Oh, dog is barking always. 31, 24. I can't believe January is almost over. Ugh. All right, so I completed the calendar for most of February. It goes to the 27th. So I'm gonna start writing, which is what I originally planned to do, what we have for dinner on here each night, so that way I don't have to get a million questions from the kids. But I got this wall calendar from Erin Condren. I got it, I think it's been over a year now, so I can link it down below. It's a little bit pricey, but obviously it lasts forever and it's wet erase, so it's super convenient. All right, so I'm gonna go get to work, but here is what I'm having for breakfast this morning. I had this Nancy's whole milk yogurt. It's blueberry lavender. I haven't tried this flavor, so hopefully it's good. And then I put a little bit of this vanilla maple gluten-free granola on there. Jessica's sent this to me. I believe I have a coupon code. I'll have to check. But if not, I can link it down below. She has a lot of great gluten-free like granolas and baking mixes and things like that. And then I also put some blueberries on top that I washed up this weekend. I forgot to tell you guys, we just got this weather update. It's supposed to snow. We're in the 5 to 8 inches band, so we'll see. I think it's supposed to start at noon today and end at noon tomorrow, so quite a bit of snow. I don't know if the kids will get out of school early today. They might. If they do, they'll get out at 1 o'clock instead of 3, but my guess would be is that school will either be canceled or late start tomorrow. If we get that much snow, probably canceled. So it's a good thing Adam got the tractor plow working and everything, it broke for a little bit. By the way, this granola concoction is very good. You guys know I talked about in a video how I'm trying to move more towards like whole foods, less added sugar, more fiber, more veggies and fruit, stuff like that. So this is actually a good breakfast for me. I mean, you can argue that there's, you know, sugar in the granola. I didn't quite use 1 serving of it, but the yogurt is very low in sugar, and of course the blueberries, so would recommend. All right, guys, so I thought I would show you what I'm eating for lunch really quick. I have a leftover baked potato with a little bit of chili and some broccoli, and a little bit of cheese and sour cream. Looks delicious. So it's 6 o'clock now, and I'm done working for the day. Here is the recipe that I'm gonna make. It says coconut fried shrimp with sweet chili mint sauce, although I'm not gonna be able to make this because I can't go to the grocery store because we have a ton of snow outside and the roads aren't safe. But I do have cilantro, so I might substitute that. But I'm gonna make this in the air fryer. I peeled up some sweet potatoes, so I'm gonna cut these up, make some sweet potato fries. And then I seasoned a couple chicken breasts because I'm not sure if the kids will want shrimp. I just used this barbecue seasoning. We got this at Fairway. It's really, really good. We never tried it before a couple weeks ago. So I'm just gonna bake these in the oven along with sweet potatoes, and then I might make a salad too. So I'm going to try and cut my sweet potatoes into small fry pieces. Sweet potatoes can take a long time to cook in the oven if you don't cut them small enough. They tend to be a little bit harder than regular white potatoes and take longer to cook. And if I'm being honest, on this night, I really didn't want to cook dinner. Like by the time I started cooking, it was already 6 p.m. and I was just exhausted, but it ended up being really good. So in the end, I was glad that I cooked, and I've actually been really good about following my meal plan for the last several weeks. I've made everything that I set out to make. So it's been pretty good, pretty successful as far as that concerned. So I do have this Misen knife, which you guys have probably seen me use before in a bunch of videos, but this knife works really well on the sweet potatoes. I drizzle them with olive oil, and then I'm seasoning them with just some steak seasoning. This just has like salt and pepper and garlic powder, and I'm not sure what else is in it, but it did turn out really good. I roasted these in a 425 degree oven for probably about 20 minutes until they were golden brown and cooked through, and then I cooked the chicken at 425 as well until it was cooked through. So for the shrimp, you'll need some egg wash, so I'm just gonna crack a shell in the bowl. I accidentally got a shell in there, but I'm gonna whisk up 2 eggs, and that will be the egg wash. And then in a separate container, I'm going to put some coconut flour. I actually had this on hand. I have used it before for like keto baking and stuff like that, but it's great because it does give the shrimp a little bit of a coconutty flavor. So I mixed the coconut flour with some salt and some pepper, and then the last step is just some unsweetened shredded coconut. So first you dip the shrimp in the coconut flour, and then you toss it in the egg, and then you roll it in the shredded coconut. Make sure that you don't use sweetened shredded coconut. I mean, I guess you could, but we're trying to cut back on sugar, so obviously I don't want that. And I'm not sure about the sweetened coconut. I feel like it would probably be too sweet, and maybe it would burn in the air fryer. And if I didn't mention it before, this recipe is an air fryer recipe. I really like cooking stuff like this in the air fryer because it actually turns out really good. Like, it doesn't necessarily have a deep fried taste because it's not deep fried, but it tastes really good. So I sprayed the tops of them with some cooking spray just to help them get a little bit more brown, and put those in. Now for the dipping sauce, like I said, I did not have mint, so I substituted cilantro. There was some maple syrup in there, a little bit of vinegar, salt and pepper, and some jalapeno. And here's what it looked like when it was done. We had the coconut shrimp with the dipping sauce, and then some sweet potatoes on the side. I did not end up making a salad just because I felt like we had enough food. But here were those chicken breasts. The kids ended up eating those. I sliced them up thin with some barbecue sauce, and there are those sweet potato fries. Here is Connor's plate that I'm showing you here, but it was a really good dinner. I was going to try and show you guys the snow. I don't know how well. I guess you can see it. I don't know how much we've gotten yet, but I'd say it started snowing somewhere around 1 or 2 p.m. It's supposed to snow until noon tomorrow, so there's gonna be so much to shovel and plow in the morning, but that's all right. It's very pretty. We'll say that. All right, I'm gonna go take a shower. It is 9 o'clock now. I'm gonna try to get to bed around 10. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower. We did receive notification that school is gonna be canceled tomorrow, so of course the kids are very excited they could sleep in. Adam and I still have to get up early for work, so no rest for the weary, but I told you guys I actually got up this morning at 5 a.m., which I've been like not as good with my getting up early routine, so hopefully I can fix that this week. Yeah, it's just like I feel so much better during the day when I get up early and get like a few hours of productivity in before everyone else gets up. Does anyone else feel like that? I don't know. I always feel better when I do that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I have some paperwork I need to file. I have a few emails I need to respond to. That training that I was in all day today, it was really good, but you know how when you sit through a webinar or a training for like 7 hours and you're just like, it's a little bit exhausting. It's like good information, but it's exhausting. That's how I feel. So anyway, let me do that and I'll check back in with you. All right guys, I got everything done that I wanted to, so I think I'm going to make sure the kids are headed to bed and then I'm gonna head to bed. But thank you so much for coming along with me today. I hope that you enjoyed spending the day with me. If I didn't already mention it, that coconut shrimp that we had in the air fryer was so good. It was like, I mean, it's coconut shrimp. Does it taste exactly like Red Lobster? Well, no, because they fry theirs in oil. There's all kinds of crap in it, but it was really good. And that dipping sauce was really good for it too. I would definitely make that recipe again. So yeah, I would recommend that if you guys have that cookbook. But anyway, it has been going well so far, transitioning our diet from some of those, you know, more processed carby foods to more unprocessed whole foods, I guess you could say, is what I'm trying to do. But yeah, it's been going well and the family is adjusting to it. So anyway, thanks again for watching and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.